Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to write letter Q, R and S. Now we will start the letter Q. Go from here. Go from third line. First of all you make like this. C. Then come down in last line and do like this. Q. This is letter Q. Now again go up, do like this. First of all you will make C, then go up and then come down and give a turn. Letter Q. Again C, go up, do like this, make a turn, go up and come down in last line. It will go in last line. Q. This is letter Q. Once more you will see. Go up, then make a turn, then come down, make a C, go up, come down and give a turn. Q. Again C. Do like this, come down and do like this. Letter Q. Again C, go up, make a turn. You will make C first, then go up, then come down and Q. This is letter Q. Now we will make letter R. We will make letter R. Now see, go up in the middle line. We will make a turn like this and then come down in these two lines. R. Again see, go up, make a turn like this, then like this. R. This is letter R. Again see, go up, give a turn. It will come in middle lines, both middle lines. R. Again see, go up, make a turn, cut here and then give a turn. Letter R. Again see, go upside, then give a turn like this, then make a turn. R. Again go upside, give a turn like this and give a curve. R. Letter R. This is cursive letter R. This is cursive Q. R. Again C, go up, do like this and make a curve. You will start from here, third line to upper line. Go upside, make a turn and then give a turn. R. Now what we will see, letter S. See here, go upside, then make a curve, cut here, come down, give a turn. S. This is letter S. Again see, go upside, come down, make a turn and do like this. Go back. Letter S. Again see, go upside, give a turn, go up and make a turn. S. Again you will see, go upside, give a turn, do like this and come back. Letter S. Again see, go up, come down, make a turn and do like this. Letter S. What is this? Letter S. Again see, go up, come down, go like this and this. S. Now speak. Q, R, S. Again see, Q, R, S. Now children, you will do this practice at home. Okay. Bye bye.